Hey, look how pretty it is outside. It's nice and cold, and it's really miserable. That one tree back there, there's one tree back there. It's just all by itself. Anyhow, it's cold, it's snowing, it's miserable. We're headed to Ohio. Hopefully we get there safe. We packed up the car. Mal was like, hey, you got too many bags in the car. I was like, what are you talking about? She was like, you got like 5 bags. Isn't one of them like camera bag? I was like, nope, joke's on you. It's all in here. Oh, Jesus. Wow. All right, anyhow, we'll go over that here shortly. Roll intro.